I'm Paula Johnson. I'm a registered nurse, and my position at PAI is Director of Hair Therapy. Working in hair restoration is extremely satisfying. We see people's lives virtually changed because of the improvement in their hair. There are so many things in our culture that are affected when someone doesn't seem to have the appearance that is expected, and so it affects people negatively in their careers, in their social lives. The other day, someone came in, and the first time I had done an assessment on this person, there were tears in her eyes. She just seemed sad. It was extremely heartbreaking. It had been some time since I had seen her, and she came in well into her laser program. It was a clear difference. I couldn't see her scalp at all, and she was like just outgoing and smiling and making eye contact, and I was like, you're totally a different person. Like, I cannot believe the change. You know, we're a small company, and it's like working with your family. And no family's perfect, but I think our family here at PAI is pretty close to it. We have a really positive group of people, very kind and supportive, and we are very much all really sold out for what we do at PAI. We really believe in the mission, and I think when you have a group of people that come together and they are fully engaged in the same mission and the same vision, it's just a very pleasant experience. We also sort of feel like our patients are part of that family, so I think our patients feel that way too. I have a life experience in my career as a nurse that has really helped me understand hair. I began my career for several years as an OB nurse doing labor and delivery and postpartum care. And hair is one of the 5 things that every mom and dad report when their baby is born. So the first thing that parents are looking at is this: does he have all his fingers and toes, and what is his hair like? On the opposite end of life, I spent many years working in hospice before coming to PAI, and we would get patients that had just come off of chemo. We started them eating and getting them feeling better, and their hair starts growing in, and at that point, hair was like dignity for them. It was take that cancer, my hair is growing. It was hope that there's still life in me to be lived. It's not vanity, it's part of what makes us human. It's just part of who we are. We have a lot of clients that come in because they have to be competitive with younger people, and any sign of aging makes them expired, makes them irrelevant. And so that's another reason I think that hair restoration is so important, and offering it to people, knowing it works. We value people and we value wisdom, and all of that comes with aging. And so if we can help them stay more competitive in the workplace and stay more confident in their lives, it is absolutely worth it every single time.